This is a quick tip on Audi VW belt drive engines. We got most of them from the 1.8T to the 2 liters at least. Some of them, the other ones, I don't know for sure. They might still be similar to this. But I know for sure on these, they're so similar, the 1.8T and the 2 liter, that if your engine is overheating, most people will go to the thermostat, which I'm about to do that video next. But this is a quick tip video. If you do a thermostat on an engine that's overheating, 1.8T, 2.0T, you can stick your finger in here and make sure that that impeller for the water pump isn't spinning from the shaft. Because this impeller, right, it's connected to a shaft, and then on the other side, it's spun on a cog on this timing belt. So I've got another video with timing belt inspection. You just pull that cover off, really easy to see. Down in here, you know, really soon I'll do a timing belt and I'll show you the water pump that just slides in like this. So I've seen it more times than I'd like to admit, probably 20 times so far. The impeller coming off and freewheeling and not spinning the impeller wheel, and you can simply stick your finger in here and make sure that it's not, the impeller should not move at all. It should be, you should feel I can feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can just stick my finger in there and feel 5 of the veins, and everything's solid. And if it's spinning at all, if it's loose at all, definitely needs the whole timing belt kit. And this is actually going to be really similar to what that is bolted into the front of the block like that. So you'll be sticking your finger in right here and making sure that this plastic impeller is still connected to this shaft, so it's firm. If you were able to get in here and spin it, right, that would mean that you're not spinning the timing belt, you're not spinning this whole cog, you're only spinning just this outside piece, and it's not connected to the shaft anymore. Does that make sense? I hope so.